Understanding Seat Reservation, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning series. Today, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrases seat reservation. Whether you're traveling, attending an event, or dining out, understanding this concept is essential. Let's dive in. Seat reservation refers to the process of booking or securing a specific seat in advance. This can be for various settings like trains, planes, theaters, or restaurants. It ensures you have a guaranteed place and often allows you to choose a preferred spot. Reserving a seat is crucial for guaranteeing a spot, especially in high-demand situations like popular shows or peak travel times. Convenience and comfort. Choosing a seat that meets your needs, like a window seat on a plane or a table with a view in a restaurant. Special requirements. Accommodating needs like wheelchair access or dietary restrictions in restaurants. Making a reservation usually involves 1. Contacting the service provider. This can be done online, by phone, or in person. 2. Providing details, such as the date, time, and your preferences. 3. Confirmation. You'll often receive a confirmation number or ticket. Can I reserve a seat for? When you want to book a seat. Is seat reservation mandatory? To know if reservation is required. I have a reservation under name used to claim your reserved seat. That's all about seat reservations. We hope this video helps you navigate situations where seat reservations are involved more confidently. Remember, being proactive with reservations can make your experiences much smoother. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.